This is my first time in ISE Barcelona. It's very exciting to be here.
Last year was great, this year is even better, so we're very happy.
For us, ISE is really special. It really brings a wealth and breadth of audiences for us.
It's not a decision. We come. You need to be here. Like, we get to see all of our channel partners, end user customers more and more are coming to the event. It's not a choice. We're here.
It is the center of innovation. If you want to understand the future, you should come here. That's the main story.
We are over the moon and can't be prouder of this show. So our potential at ISE is endless. We are adapting the show to suit what the industry offers.
This year is the first year where lighting and staging is there and entertainment has a real focus.
Lighting is more than just light in the future. It's about connectivity, it's about the systems. It's great to be here and to see it and to make aware that we can be part of the system.
So our industry rocks.
ISE for Samsung is super strategic because it gives an opportunity to bring thousands of customers and partners in front of our products, but also in front of our new concept.
It's really good to be in the same room like ISE, to see the latest and greatest so that the creative minds can kind of think about what that future of the AV and the spaces will look like.
I'm in this industry from 20 years and actually this is one of the best shows ever. So we are happy to be here always.
ISE has everything we need. Vendor, technology, customers, partners, and most important thing, the connection. And that's what ISE is all about.
I'd love to come back next year. Yeah, it's been really nice. Being in Barcelona as well has been lovely.
I believe the future we have here is serving the industry. It's the destination for innovation.